It's gonna do.
Vacuum for swimming pool.
Okay.
Full charge.
I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, it's off. Okay, it's on.
Oh wow. Oh, it's running.
Hopefully it doesn't.
Bump.
Well, it's supposed to be flat. Our shit's not perfectly flat.
Oops. It's moving. Oh, just like the robot, the one we have in the house.
Yeah, just like that, except for the swimming pool.
Oh,
Let's see where the. Should cover the entire swimming pool by then, but
90 minutes, so 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1.5 hours. Is it working?
I have no idea, baby. I wonder if I forgot to do something.
It looks like working. Because it's moving, right? That's how you get it. After a minute, we need to double check if it's working. It's just like your fishing, loves. There you go. Wow. Yeah, you got something.
Okay.
Else. Yeah,
All right, baby.
it's working.
Yeah, that's it.
Good. You assembled last night?
Huh?
You assembled?
No, it's. What's the. Okay?
All right.
All right.